Hi guys, I'm finished by cat food. Cat food. Maye. Early morning joker. Lounging is the best medicine. Life. Nice English guys. And my coffee brown. I put a little bit milk. Hard going here guys. Ay. Maybe falling down Paraguay market guys. Very hot now morning. That's why I'm too much black now guys. Maybe when I'm very rich, I'm going whitening skin. Good morning everyone. Mommy's here. Oh, what's happening over there? Wait lang guys. Hard. Hey, I'm falling down. Wait a minute guys, look at my feet. Ah. Hey, my goodness. Sorry boys. Wait a minute guys. Wait a minute. Hot. Ayay ko. Napaso-paso ako dito. Naamoy nyo na yung cat food. Nag-ready na kayo dito. Very hot morning. Oh baby, I sure is dirty naman na house here. Wait a minute yung cellphone ko dito. Paano tayo magbibideo? Hindi tayo makikita ng audience. Huwag mong pampadin yung cellphone ko dito. Maghintay kayo. Hanap tayong plato na. Plato. Maghanap tayo ng plato na. Wait lang na. Huwag tayong plato na. Hati kayo. Tara, huwag tayo mo ng plato. Huwag mo naman lundagin yan. Huwag niyo muna lundagin yan, no? Malayo ang market. Wait lang, guys. I have no plate. Where's the plate? Here. Huwag niyong kakainin yan. Maghintay muna. Maghintay. Huwag kakain yan. Wag. Scatter, wait lang ha. Hindi nyo lundagin yan. Mababait kayo dito. Ayan na oh. Ano ba yung nahanap nyo? Dito na. Family dog. Family cat. Cute. Hi, good morning guys. Thank you so much for supporting my family cat, family dog. I love you all guys.